Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. I just finished the live feed of my Saturday morning beach walks in beautiful Naples, Florida. This morning, I started and ended here at this beautiful beach park, Lowdermilk Beach Park. I just wanted to give you another look at it from the wide angle perspective mode. A beautiful, beautiful park here. The parking lot over here, lots of parking. Lowdermilk Park. I've got other videos you can check out to see this place. People coming over to use the pay station, you gotta pay to park here. It's just so green, so green. Beautiful coconut palms. There's two play areas here for the kids. There's two sand volleyball courts up at the north end of the park. Lots of picnic tables scattered throughout the place. This is just the epitome of Southwest Florida right here. Concession stand over here and restrooms, showers. But of course the star attraction is the beach. Let's go out and take a peek at the beach. Palm trees gently blowing in the breeze. And there you have it, the beach at Lowdermilk Park. We'll get a little closer to the water. It's gorgeous colors this morning. There's, I believe, 8 of these little cheeky huts here where you can sit up under if you want some shade. If you get out here early enough, you'll get one. It's not a very big beach. I don't know exactly how long the beach is here, but it's not too big. They also rent beach chairs, beach umbrellas, kayaks, canoes. A lot of seagulls sitting out here on the beach. Beautiful Saturday morning. Right now I'm guessing the temperature's right around 82, between 82 and 84. To my left, down to the south is the Naples Pier. It's a good little hike. I'm guessing it's 3 to 4 miles down to the south from here. Don't hold me to my word here, but I can tell you it's a little bit of a walk down to the south to the Naples Pier. And then behind me, to the north, is Doctor's Pass. That's a little more doable of a walk if you want to walk up to the north to Doctor's Pass. towards me. There's a look back at the park. Put it on your things to do list when you come to Naples. We got a lot of beautiful beaches here, a lot of beautiful beaches. The water is beautiful. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to tell your friends about Southwest Florida Television. Hit that share button. Spread the word. Spread the word and share the love. Bringing people together one beach walk at a time. That's what it's all about. This is where it all starts, right here on our beautiful beaches. Tally ho, everyone, tally ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb Stan. God bless.